What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's first video. And in today's first video, yes, of course, we're going to talk about Ethereum and what it's doing in the short term, the long term, and the medium term. Don't ask me why I said it in that order. Just ignore that fact. But if you guys are new to the channel, you guys end up enjoying today's content, make sure you guys smack that subscribe button down below. I appreciate all you guys that take the time out of your day to click that button down below. Now, let's not waste any time, guys, and let's jump into this 4-hour chart, actually, of Ethereum here. Let's jump into the 4-hour chart of Ethereum. Now, as you guys can see, we obviously are still in this rising wedge. It looked like yesterday we were going to make some headway and get out of this wedge, but we actually didn't get that 4-hour close we were looking for outside the wedge. And until we do, we're still in this wedge, all right? And right now, we just got rejected on the top of the wedge. You can see right here, and we're getting a correction down. Now, I have this 10 4-hour EMA that's been a little bit of a support on our way up here. So we've got one support there, and we got support throughout here. And now it looks like we're getting some support on it again here. So will that act as some type of support? Maybe, but I also have something similar that could be playing out here. Something a little bit odd, all right? So we have this second trend line drawn here, this purple line in the middle here, which we've gotten support on in the past. Then we got resistance on it. Now we're getting support on it, okay? So is it possible we come back down here, round out, and continue up? You guys probably know where I'm going with this if you watched yesterday's Cardano video, but we kind of have a little awkward left shoulder, head, and right, this is a little bit premature, but if we can round out here, we'll have some type of right shoulder, breakout that could be push us up to the upside. We could have a little bit of an awkward head and shoulders pattern that you guys know would push up to the upside. Our breakout target, if that happened, right, this is obviously just hypothetical. This is kind of looking into the future a little bit. But if we did break out somewhere around this area, our breakout target would put us right around that $2,300 area that we know has so much confluence in why I'm almost certain that we're going up to that level at some point in the absolute near future, okay, guys? And we have nothing on the RSI here that's going to tell us what direction we're going in the short term. So we're really just going in blind here. We got no bullish divergence, no bearish divergence. So what is Ethereum going to do? Well, it seems like a mystery if you guys have watched the video so far, okay? But let's go check over on the daily chart here. And as you can see on the daily chart, this looks to me like just a big support and resistance flip. You guys know we had resistance all back here for Ethereum, and now we're just getting support on it all throughout here. So this is a bullish structure to me. Also, we have the our 20-day moving average, right, that had a support all throughout here, right? You guys can see we never got a close below that line, and this is starting to move up now. So is it possible when this reaches that support, maybe we get one more correction down, and then that's our catapult out of the wedge? Maybe, but this is just overall looking pretty bullish to me overall. So yeah, don't be surprised if that happens. But you guys know that our measured move out of this flag, wedge, whatever you want to call about it, right, from the top of our flagpole to the bottom of our flagpole, extrapolated at our breakout point, which was right here, put us right up towards 2,250. So right near that $2,300 level as well, which has so much confluence. We're going to look at the weekly chart too. It also has confluence over there, right? It's not just the 4-hour. It's not just the daily. 2,300 is such a critical area, okay? And then on the daily chart, we don't have any type of divergence either, right? No bullish, no bearish. So on the daily chart, we're kind of just going in blind as well. But I like the structure here. I like the support on the 20-day moving average. And I like the old resistance now turned into new support, guys. And we know our measured move here about 2250. All right, so let's switch on over to the weekly chart, guys. And we know that our next Fibonacci target is our 1.618 Fibonacci, which is ding, ding, ding. 2,301 is our Fibonacci target, our 1.618 Fibonacci extension target, okay? You guys can see, throughout Ethereum's run up, right? We got rejected on the 236 right here. We got rejected on the 382. We pumped up, got rejected on the 1, and now we're going up to the 1.618. Will we get some type of rejection at 2,300? Well, I think so, right? We kind of invalidated, right? You guys know in my last Ethereum video, we actually were forming a little bit of bearish divergence, right? Where we're getting lower highs on the RSI and higher highs in price action, which theoretically should have pushed us down there. But we actually invalidated it by making a new, pretty much the same level on the weekly RSI there, okay? So we don't have to worry about that bearish divergence on the weekly as of now, right? But we'll have to keep waiting and see what happens on this weekly RSI. We still are pretty overbought at a 92. We did cool down to an 84, and then we went right back up to our original level. So we didn't really cool down much. You can see our 20-week EMA, right, which is our bull market support band. Really just our bull market support for Ethereum. You can see in the last bull market how it was support multiple times throughout our run up, and it's been support multiple times on our run up this time. This is at about 1,077 approximately right now. So this is moving up pretty fast, and it's going to move up another 100 points or so if we remain about where we're at right now. So everything's looking good on the weekly chart. We're just literally staring at that $2,300 level. I'm going to keep saying it in all my videos until it comes true, right? Hopefully I don't jinx it. But you guys know who watch my channel, like this. I mean, when we have this much confluence on the 4-hour extension, right, the daily extension, and our weekly Fibonacci, you guys know that usually that comes true at least, maybe a couple days, couple weeks down the road. It doesn't have to happen today, but you guys know the general drill, okay? Now, the daily Ethereum Bitcoin chart is very, very interesting too. So I had this 20, I was kind of playing around with the EMAs, kind of seeing if we have any patterns here with support resistances to let us know if we have any sense of direction. You can see the 20-day exponential moving average for the ETH Bitcoin ratio tends to be a pretty good indicator, okay? So look here, guys, looking back, right? You can see on our first run up here, we got support throughout here before dipping back down, okay? Then we got support on it again, dipping back down, got resistance, support all throughout here, support again, right? And then it was our resistance all throughout here, all right? You can see how many times this is our resistance, then our support, right? Then our resistance, support. Now it's our resistance, okay? So you can kind of see the general trend here that kind of acts as our bull market support and resistance. So theoretically, if we're below it, it's most likely that we see further price action down, or at least retesting the bottom of the channel, okay? When you're below it, usually, like almost all the time when you break down below it on a daily close basis, you go back down and retest the bottom of the rising channel, okay? So I'm expecting Bitcoin to catch up on Ethereum a little bit as we move down to the channel, and then probably get a bounce off of it at some point, and then break back above the 20-day exponential moving average, and then continue on back up, okay? So that's really the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, guys. I mean, we have some supports here. Maybe we can hold this red line here, where we have many resistances, many supports. So maybe we can hold that, but if we don't, we're probably coming back down to the channel, guys, okay? So maybe expect Bitcoin to catch up on the Ethereum ratio, at least within the next couple days, maybe couple weeks, okay? But that's it, guys. That is the video on Ethereum today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new, make sure you guys don't forget to press that subscribe button down below. I know a ton of you guys watch my videos every day and don't press the subscribe button, so make sure you guys don't forget. And if you guys are new, press that notification bell as well. Like I've been saying tons of times, YouTube might be trying to hide the crypto videos again. They're up to something. But anyways, press that alert box button down below so you guys don't miss any of my live streams or 2 videos daily. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video coming up shortly after this one and the live stream. I'll keep you guys updated on what time I'm going live on my Twitter, so go follow that if you don't already, and I will schedule ahead of time. Peace.